It's Blues Day. Day. Blues Day. Blues Day. Sing it, Margie. Sing it, Margie TV. We gotta go reclaim. Rebel rocker. Good news. I'm gonna be getting Chicago 21, and I'm gonna be getting Theory of a Dead Man. Don't know when. Really, my love. Any day, cute. Sing it. Good thing. Next week, I will try to go live. Try. They got this rough thing on there. Oh. Wow, key. Ooh. There's supposed to be an unpackaging and a little unboxing again pretty soon, and I goofed it up because I wasn't supposed to be doing this right now. It was supposed to be another segment of an unpackaging, and it's super hot doing this. It's cooler in my room, but it's not cooler down here. It's all over. As you know, I'm going to get a copyright block. The claim, if it's a claim, it's okay. I don't mind. I'll see you in a moment. You ready? No. Are you ready?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Introducing chocolate starfish and hot water.
bring it on.
Oh shit. I'm trying to do that, Margie. See you in my next upload. Oh shit. That didn't go according to plan. Oh crap. Oh shit. I had this on pause. I forgot. So that water splattered all over. And so Mom wanted me to wash the counters and the cabinets. I guess I did. Oh my goodness. Margie, why do you make me so goofy?